Hi, my name is Karen Roth, and I'm the FY25 Society of Women Engineers President. I'd like to personally welcome our new members to SWE's global community of women engineers and allies, 47,000 strong and growing. Joining this Gear Up with SWE call is a wonderful way to jumpstart your journey with SWE. Having been a member myself for over 20 years, I can attest to the fact that being a SWE member is special. There's nothing quite like it. For one, there's no stronger or more supportive group anywhere. As the saying goes, we are far greater than the sum of our parts. And together we rise, our theme for FY25. To connect with members in person, be sure you get involved with your local affiliate or section and join me and almost 50,000 other women engineers at SWE's annual global conference or any of our other We Local events. But networking and community are just the beginning of what you can expect. For starters, we provide all of our members with a bevy of professional development offerings and career resources, a members only mentor network, leadership opportunities, scholarship, awards programs, and more. Expert insights are just a click away, including our research division, award winning SWE magazine, diverse podcasts, and altogether blogs. While there are too many benefits to mention here, head over to swe.org/membership for a full list of all the value you have at your fingertips. And all of this is during our diamond celebration. That's right, SWE is turning 75 in 2025. Let me end with another big warm welcome to everyone and a thank you to the Member Engagement Committee for hosting this Gear Up with SWE meetup. I know you'll find your SWE experience an incredibly rewarding one, both professionally and personally, just as I have. I hope to meet each of you in person at any of our upcoming events.